Hello, my cozy crafters. Welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Labby. Let's get started on this rows. We're going to start with a chain of 44. Now the chain is done. Let's go ahead on and start row 1. Row 1 consists of V stitches. So we're going to double crochet into the 7th stitch on that foundation chain. Then we're going to go ahead on and skip 2 stitches and go into the 3rd stitch with a double crochet. We're going to chain 1 and then another double crochet in the same stitch. That is how you complete a V stitch. Again, we're going to skip 2 stitches and double crochet into the 3rd stitch, and then again we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1 and then another double crochet, and you all are going to repeat this till the end, and I will meet you back there. Now that we are coming up on our last stitch, I do like to change my hooks because they be pretty tight on the last stitch and my other loops are pretty big, so I want to switch my hook to a smaller size, and I went in with the V stitch on the last stitch as well. Now that is row 1 complete. Now to start row 2, we're gonna go ahead and do 1 chain, 2 chains, then we're going to turn our work. Now this first chain count as our first double crochet. We're going to do another double crochet. I am going to chain 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to double crochet again in that first chain 2 space. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So again, we're going to do a double crochet, another double crochet. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do a double crochet in that same space, and then another double crochet. Cozy crafters, repeat this to the end and I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. So now as you can see, we are at the end of it, and you see it starts to curl. That's what you want it to do. We're going to go into the last space with a double crochet, another double crochet, chain 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and another double crochet in the last double crochet. Now chain 1, and then you're going to turn your work. You see what I mean when I said it's going to start curling? Because you want it to look all rosy. I'll be back. Now we're going to go in with 7 double crochets in each of the chain 3 spaces. Now I'm going to single crochet in those 2 spaces because it's 2 right there. So single crochet in that space, and then a single crochet in the next space. And then we're going to do 7 double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we're going to do that single crochet, 1 single crochet in this space because it's only 1 right here. In the beginning there's 2 spaces, but as you go further along, it's only 1 single crochet space in between each of those feathers for the rose. So finish that until the end, and I'll see you at the end, crafters. So that last loop, you see that last double crochet, you're going to put a single crochet, and then you're going to fasten off, chain 1, fasten off, and then we're going to assemble this rose. here's the finished rows. If you want to see this, then go ahead and click the next video, part 2. Subscribe.